What is up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download beta version of iOS because 15.4 just came out and there's some pretty cool new features in it, including unlocking your phone with Face ID while wearing a mask. There's new emojis. You can now add notes to your keychain passwords, as well as live text integration into the Notes and Reminders app, and a lot more other features. So let's get into the video and I'll show you how to download the beta version of iOS 15.4. But keep in mind, before you do, there's always bugs and glitches with beta software. So if you're okay with running it on your normal device, then just be aware that sometimes there'll be glitches and bugs. Or if you have another device that you don't use on a daily basis, I suggest you download it on that. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to jump into Safari, and you can just search for iOS 15.4 beta, and a couple websites will come up, but you'll want to go to the website that is beta.apple.com. That's the Apple beta software program. Click on that link and it'll show you the different betas that are available. You can also do this on your Mac or your iPad, but all you have to do is click Get Started, and then we'll be on the iOS. And then you'll go down to the Get Started tab and click on Enroll your iOS device. And then make sure to archive a backup of your current device so that if something does happen to it, you'll be able to recover all your data. So next, you'll want to install the profile. So in order to do that, just click Download Profile, click Allow. So it says profile downloaded, review the profile in the settings app if you want to install it. So after that, click close. So after that, we will go into settings, and then we'll go down to general, scroll down to VPN and device management, and there will be the profile. So if you click on that, all you have to do is click install in the right-hand corner, enter your passcode, and then make sure to read through the consent and click install. It'll ask you to restart your phone, so just go ahead and click restart. So after that, once it restarts, then go back into the settings and scroll down to general, software update, and the new beta software will be in there. So you just have to download and install, enter your passcode. And after that, it's just like any other software update. It will download and install on your device. That is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.